What will be the next Forcecoin used in our Metaverse ecosystem?
We will finally use HMFS for more profitable tier extensions.
Is there any chances to use in tactile?
We have a solution to this dilemma.
Can we expect our game will be better than other competition?
We intend to create the best. Metaverse is always something that no one has done before.
Metaverse is a totally new concept in this industry. How can we promote this?
Together with the Metaverse, we promote technologies, and this is one of our main advantages.
What will be our next project?
This will be a completely new part of the Neo Dao world.
When Bitforce mining will start?
Arkhan, nice to meet you.
Thank you, sir. Actually, I am eagerly waiting for this meeting. I am very much interested to ask something to you that is not related any kind of our problem and all these things. There is no any problem. Metaverse ecosystem is one of the best ecosystem I have ever seen. I'm in this.
Surely we're ready for any question, but let's talk about what is interesting for us.
Just I want to ask you that what will be the next Forcecoin used in our Metaverse ecosystem?
Key releases that will expand the use of Forcecoin will be introduced into the ecosystem soon. We will finally use HMFS for more profitable tier extensions, opening up the possibility of a unique type of staking. In addition, tactile GameF will restart, where HMFS will also be used. The most long-awaited thing is the goods on the marketplace, where everything is sold and bought only on Forcecoin. The range will constantly expand. It will be a global market. In the future, we plan to expand more the application areas of Forcecoin, both within the Metaverse ecosystem and beyond.
Thank you, sir. And my next question is, in near future, Forcecoin use in tactile. Is there any chances to use in tactile?
We have a solution to this dilemma. On the one hand, our participants want a strong token, of course. On the other hand, they want convenience. Our solution is an instant swap. A swap will be applied throughout the Metaverse ecosystem, where you'll be able to use both MFS and other various tokens, including DAI, USDT, Matic, etc. The user can go to the exchange and buy MFS tokens for his tokens, any tokens, because all transactions in our system take place only in Forcecoins. If he chooses other tokens, MFS will be automatically purchased from the exchange. This way, more users will make transactions even if they don't have MFS in their wallets. MFS, at the same time, is purchased from the exchange, which contributes to its high demand. For this convenience, the user will pay an additional small commission. This fee will be used to burn part of the MFS, which will reduce overall emissions.
Yes, very nice. And our entire community wants to know when Bitforce mining will start.
Yeah, I understand this question. We plan to open access to mining and tunnels in July, very soon, where users will be able to begin mining quantum ore necessary for further processing in Bitforce. It's interesting that even in such a difficult period right now, when we just have to wait for mining to start, even now we have high demand, as you see, and interest. This allows us to be optimistic about the near future when GameF will be fully developed.
Yes, definitely, sir. And regarding game, can we expect our game will be better than other competition?
We are not interested in creating another game if we can't explain ourselves why it is better than others. We intend to create the best. We focused on the most successful experiences and examples when creating our developments. We never copy anyone. Metaverse is always something that no one has done before. And it is the same principle we adhere to in games. Users will be able to have a good time playing games. They will also have the opportunity to invest and earn money. We are talking about play to earn, learn to earn, and even tap to earn mechanics. As for the so-called tap to earn, here we will still think about defining the name of the mechanics. The only thing the mechanics have in common with what you knew in previous games, like that, with the name is the ease of entry and ease of play. But the content and context are different. This is exactly the type of game that can be created very quickly. That's why we expect it to be ready before the end of this summer. This simple game will have an interconnection with a large game, the development of which will take more than a year and a half. So usually for game we need about 2-3 years, but this is a little bit faster, but we need to wait. But we have a very quick game also.
Okay, it's very nice. Actually, I want to know from you, you can suggest us, Metaverse is a totally new concept in this industry. And how do you suggest us, how can we promote this?
It is unique, Metaverse. First, let's look at what the existing Metaverses are. In current realities, Metaverses are experimental products that have largely chaotic entertainment content, pixel graphics and limited functionality. We create a unique product in terms of the user experience. In the Neo Dao Metaverse, we are building an entire virtual world that will open up great opportunities for users. The implementation of the entire Metaverse ecosystem, including the royalty program, will allow everyone to access our advantages. We are not limited in functionality. We give users real opportunities, transferring the value of the Metaverse into the real world. Together with the Metaverse, we promote technologies, and this is one of our main advantages.
Thank you, sir. What will be our next project?
Do you mean a Metaverse ecosystem?
Metaverse ecosystem.
Yeah, okay. I would highlight the next project after the restart, Tactile. This is the long-awaited boost program that many leaders are expecting. Users from the first days, as you know, of the creation of the Metaverse company were interested in this product, and this request remains relevant days because it was not easy to find a solution that we really need in this very difficult program, but now we are ready. We receive feedback from our community, talk with leaders, and see that users want and expect this product. This will not be what people are used to seeing before in the old way. This will be a completely new part of the Neo Dao world, with mechanics from like in New Tactile Game F and in Universe Game F. So also there will be special sources that you will mine in this program.
Definitely, thank you, sir. How do our community will benefit it from our tactile goods?
Above all, in tactile products, we pursue the opportunity to provide uniqueness, usefulness, and benefit to our users. We work to ensure that tactile products are of exclusively premium quality and environmentally friendly. In addition, within the framework of tactile products, we will release unique products that can simultaneously interact with the virtual world of Neo Dao and exist in the physical world. Also, do not forget that tactile products include cashback, which will stimulate the development of this area and give users appropriate bonuses, both the buyer himself and the leaders who will promote this area.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Many things I've got from you, and now I'm more confident. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.